Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 21 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to furniture. From this video onwards, we will be removing the hard words and focusing on a few sentences related to the easy and medium level words we learn. Let's start off with the vocabulary. Table, la table, chair,
la chaise,
bed,
le lit,
sofa, le canapé,
lampe, la lampe,
desk,
le bureau,
window,
la fenêtre,
door, la porte, shelf, l'étagère,
rug,
le tapis, mirror, le miroir,
clock,
l'horloge, curtain, le rideau, carpet,
la moquette,
pillow, l'oreiller, blanket,
la couverture,
dresser,
la commode,
drawer, le tiroir, wardrobe, l'armoire, cabinet, le placard, bookcase, la bibliothèque, stool, le tabouret, bedside table, la table de chevet, mattress, le matelas,
light.
la lumière. That is the easy set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Armchair, le fauteuil, coffee table, la table basse, nightstand, la table de nuit, chandelier, le lustre, ottoman, le pouf, sideboard, le buffet, chest, le coffre, console table,
La console,
bench, le banc, recliner, le fauteuil inclinable, vanity,
la coiffeuse,
headboard, la tête de lit, footboard, le pied de lit, wall unit, l'ensemble mural, entertainment center, le meuble TV, love seat,
la causeuse,
bar stool, le tabouret de bar, shoe rack, le meuble à chaussures,
Hatstand,
le porte-chapeau, room divider, le paravent, cradle, le berceau, changing table, la table allongée, coat rack, le porte-manteau, cushion, le coussin, fireplace,
la cheminée,
pedestal table, la table à pied. That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences. La lampe est sur la table. The lamp is on the table. La lampe est sur la table. The lamp is on the table. Le canapé est dans le salon. The sofa is in the living room. Le canapé est dans le salon. The sofa is in the living room. J'ai acheté un nouveau tapis pour le salon. I bought a new rug for the living room. J'ai acheté un nouveau tapis pour le salon. I bought a new rug for the living room. Le miroir est au-dessus de la commode. The mirror is above the dresser. Le miroir est au-dessus de la commode. The mirror is above the dresser. La couverture est sur le lit. The blanket is on the bed. La couverture est sur le lit. The blanket is on the bed. Le fauteuil est très confortable. The armchair is very comfortable. Le fauteuil est très confortable. The armchair is very comfortable. La table de nuit est à côté du lit. The nightstand is next to the bed. La table de nuit est à côté du lit. The nightstand is next to the bed. Nous avons un beau lustre dans la salle à manger. We have a beautiful chandelier in the dining room. Nous avons un beau lustre dans la salle à manger. We have a beautiful chandelier in the dining room. Le meuble TV est dans le coin du salon. The entertainment center is in the corner of the living room. Le meuble TV est dans le coin du salon. The entertainment center is in the corner of the living room. La table basse est devant le canapé. The coffee table is in front of the sofa. La table basse est devant le canapé. The coffee table is in front of the sofa. And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. Excellent work and congratulations. We will meet again in the next video.